Alright, grade 7s. Today what we're going to be doing is just going over a couple of things with subtracting fractions. Okay, so my little goals for you guys today are that I can rewrite fractions so that they have common denominators, just like we do with adding, okay? And then I can simplify fractions when necessary. So the things that we need to know, we need to access that prior knowledge. We need to remember, how did we add fractions? Well, we had to get common denominators first. And then once we had two fractions that were having the same denominators, so we had the same two numbers on the bottom, then we could add the top numbers. Okay, the bottom numbers stayed the same. Okay, because when we're working things out, like let's say 1/8 plus 5/8, well, that's going to be 6/8. Just adding the 1 and the 5. The 8 stayed the exact same. And then I can simplify those fractions when it's necessary. First question. This one's already set up for us, very nice. We have 7/10 minus 2/10. So our common denominators are already set up for us. We both have 10 in the bottom, in the denominator slot. So now what I can do is I can just subtract the numerators. 7 take away 2 is 5. And then I'm just going to keep the denominator the same, 5/10. Now, in the case of 5/10, I hopefully think that you guys should be comfortable with doing this, is reducing 5/10 to 1/2, or 1/2. If you didn't know how to do this, or if you didn't know that 5/10 is 1/2, we could divide the numerator, the top number, and the bottom number, the denominator, by a common number, by 5 in this case. Okay, so I could do that if I didn't know that 5/10 is 1/2. So I simplify that, and that's the answer we're looking for. Okay, excuse me. For this question here, we have 3/5 take away 2/10. I'm going to have to rewrite one of these. And I'm actually going to choose not to double this one, so I'm not going to make this 6/10. I'm actually going to half this fraction here. So I'll still have 3/5. I'm writing it with my mouse, so that's probably why it's a little bit slower than normal. So 3/5 take away 1/5. And what did I do there? I just halved these. Half of 2 is 1, half of 10 is 5. I have common denominators, so I've rewritten those. And now I can do the operation. Okay, that's the big thing, getting them into the common denominators. After that, you're pretty much golden, unless you have to simplify at the end. But that's kind of the easier part of the two. So 3 take away 1 is 2. Denominator staying the same. So 5ths. So 2/5 is the final answer. But what happens if we might have to simplify or change both fractions? Well, this is just like we did with adding. We're going to find our lowest common denominator, LCD as we call it. So I'm going to take a look at 4. That's the first number. And I'm going to take a look at 3. So we have 4, 8, 12. Okay, and we can go 16. And let's try 3. So we're going to go up by 3. So 3, 6. Whoa. Erase that. 3, 6, 9, 12. Oh, looks like we have a winner. Winner, chicken dinner. Okay, so 4. I have to multiply this 3/4 fraction by 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to multiply this by 3 over 3. Okay, 3/3 is just 1, right? So you're really not changing much. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. Likewise here with 3, we're going to multiply this fraction by 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to multiply it by 4 over 4. Okay, so 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Now that we have common denominators, 9 minus 4 is 5. And then we keep the denominator same. This one does not simplify, but that's fine. Okay, so hopefully that helps you guys and girls out for today's lesson.